All right, I am super excited to play with this mold. This one comes from Stephanie at Creative Paradise. LF251 is the number of this one. It is brand new, just released, and it is a faceted flake, snowflake. And as you can see in there, it looks like it has kind of jewels in it. So I thought, why not play with jewel tones and build this thing out? So what my plan is, I've got a whole bunch of these, you know, little blobs, nuggets that I've made with scrap before, greens and blues and reds and yellows, all sorts of different colors. And so I am going to put those into here. I may have to, I don't know that I have enough red. So there's kind of a square shape in here for the red. So I may cut squares of red to put in there. And then these other points have a different little shape to it. There's this long faceted portion. So I think I'm going to use some yellow rod and just cut some yellow rod and put it in there. So I'm just going to play around a little bit with filling this up. Once I have my colors in, I have them where I want them. Then I'm going to put some crushed up Tecta. So you could use Frit, but I like Tecta because it gets fewer and fewer bubbles. And so I'm just going to use some broken up Tecta to kind of fill this thing in. And then I'm going to take it to the kiln and fire it, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. So just follow along here as I kind of come up with my plans and fill this thing in. All right, we'll see how that goes. I just threw some stuff in here. There is a fill weight for this mold, but I don't often follow fill weights because that feels like it's too precise for me. So I'm also not a very good baker. I just don't measure things very well. But I tried to make sure that I had the pieces and the colors exactly where I wanted them, and hopefully they weren't disturbed as I put in my Tecta. I just cut up I had some scrap already cut up, and then I cut up a few more strips and put them in there. I don't know, we're gonna throw it in and see how it goes. I think it's gonna be really cool. Let's check out this guy. Oh yeah, so see, not enough glass, so I might stick it back in. But look how cool that is with that jeweled effect. Really, really neat. You really see it from this side. That really looks like there's jewels in there. So neat. I had a lot of fun making these two, and I can't wait to make some more. I really do think it looks like faceted jewels in there. I can't decide if I like it with the faceted side forward or the smooth side forward, but either way, it looks really cool. It catches the light in a way that you really can't see in these photos. The second one was a lot of fun. I'm going to continue to work on how much color I put in these. Clearly, I got a little too much in the middle, but I love the dichro on the tips, and I'm going to do some more of that. Hope you enjoyed this, and make sure that you follow me on Facebook. Thanks. Bye-bye.